Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video to my channel. This video is going to be extremely interesting because I am going to be revealing the exact strategy behind how I make money from meme coins every single day without risking anything at all. I do not trade meme coins, and I never will. Most people watching this video right now are on the trading side, and they do not know that they are playing a losing game. Most coins are straight pump and dumps, so you need to be avoiding trading meme coins. Instead, bro, be the one creating the coins and profiting on all the buyers. That's exactly how I made my money, bro. I just launched meme coins over and over again, and in this video I will show you every single step into creating a viral coin that actually gets buyers. So make sure to keep watching this video because I will be exposing the entire deving strategy. And if you do not believe me, bro, look at my Phantom wallet. All this money right here came from launching meme coins on Solana. Okay, I do not sell a course, I do not have an affiliate link, I have nothing like that. I am fully transparent. I am the only guy on this app that does not sell anything. Okay, this entire video will be purely just sauce on how to dev viral meme coins. Now here's exactly why deving meme coins is 10 times more profitable than trading, like I have been saying. Because most meme coins on Solana, bro, are straight pump and dumps. All they do is the same exact pattern. They launch, they pump for a bit, and then the dev sells into all the buying pressure, right? Which means all the traders became exit liquidity for the creator of the coin. The truth is that these meme coins are unpredictable. Even if you buy really low, the coin could still dump on your head, bro, and you could lose everything. Okay, I do not want to put that risk on the table, and that's why I became a dev. Now I am the one, me personally, launching the meme coins, using narratives, waiting for buyers, and then I just sell my supply, and that's exactly how I make money, bro. A bunch of people are gatekeeping deving, bro, and in this video I will be showing you the entire strategy right now. It's actually insane. The process is simple. You guys will see, bro. Launching meme coins costs literally nothing, and that's exactly why I love deving meme coins. So let's go, bro. I will be doing a live launch, by the way. Let's go. And guys, before the cops and the FBI kicks down my door, I want to be clear that everything is for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice. I do make money from deving, but I am not a financial advisor. Now, the reason why I am so profitable as a dev is because I have a different strategy that is slightly different than any other dev. Okay, I launch my coins on a different launchpad. I make all my coins on the Radium DEX instead of Pump.Fun. The truth is that Pump.Fun is over competitive. All these coins that you're seeing on the new pairs are straight trash. Most of these meme coins, right, they get no buyers, no one sees them. I have launched like hundreds of coins on Pump.Fun, and most of them got no buyers. Maybe one of them got one buyer, but you know, that's nothing, right? That's a couple dollars. So instead, bro, like I said, I launched my coins on the Radium DEX. I launched them right here in the migration section. Now, as you guys can see, the results speak for themselves. The Radium coins absolutely rips most of the time. They get a bunch of attention, and that is exactly where we want our coins to be, bro. So to launch your coins on Radium, you need to be using a launchpad called launchmemes.io. It's the best launchpad for Radium, bro. You guys will see. That's why this launchpad is so gatekept. Now here's exactly how to make a meme coin on Launch Memes. Now you have a couple options, right, into making a coin. So just like Pump.Fun, right, you can make a new coin right here, right in the home page. Just put a name, symbol, image, right, and for example, your meme coin will be live, description, put your links, and then your coin is live. It will go to Radium, bro, like usual, right? That is one option. Or the second strategy is my favorite one, and this is why I use this launchpad, and that is the copy trending coins tab right here. Now the reason why this method is so profitable is because instead of creating coins from scratch and testing your luck, we will be copying coins that are already working. These coins are already proven, they've went viral on Pump.Fun, they're gaining a bunch of traction, and that's why we copy them. Okay, all these coins that you're seeing are going viral on Pump.Fun, which means if we copy one of these coins back to Radium, well, we can make money from that narrative for ourselves on our copy. That is why I use this method. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna shut up and let's dev a coin to see how much we can make, right? So this is where I do a live launch. Now the first step is obviously to connect your Phantom wallet, and now let's copy a coin. Go for anything. All these coins are good. Copy one and go for it, bro. I don't look at the narrative, I just copy it. The only thing I put into consideration is to not copy the same coin twice, okay? So I'm gonna go for this one, for example. I chose it randomly. Click on copy the radium. Ignore the block right here. This is normal. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then the coin should be created shortly. Just give it a couple seconds. It should load in. Come on. And boom. Now if you go on Solscan right here, you have the proof that it is on the Solana blockchain. Anyways, let's create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we create the supply, like that your coin can go to radium, right? And right here, that's the whole point. Okay, follow along, it's simple, do not be confused by this. Now for the coins, click on 90%, do that for every single launch. That is the perfect amount of supply. For the second step here, this is where you will be buying some supply for yourself, like that you as a dev, you can make money if the coin pumps. Put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 sol. In this example, I'm gonna put the minimum, right? You're not going to lose this, bro. At the end, you will get this back when you cash out, so there's not loss. You just need to have 0.3 sol at least for the supply. Click on create pool. Ignore that, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then now the coin is live, guys. Okay, now it's actually on Solana. Boom, it's created. Click on refresh, and as you guys can see, you have your coin. It's live. People are now able to see the coin and buy in. Now guys, you have your piano here, and that's all you need to know, right? Let's go see the chart. Okay, go on any trading platform that you want, like screen your photo on Axiom, go anywhere you want and go find your coin. And as you guys can see, it's live and it's already pumping so much. People are buying in. This is exactly why deving meme coins is the #1 strategy out in meme coins right now. As you guys can see, it's pumping. Now if you come back to launch memes and you click on refresh, you can see we're up $250 already within seconds. That is the power of Radium, guys. I told you guys, the Radium Dex is way better than Pump.Fun, bro, just because of the pure attention. So many people like to buy coins on Radium rather than Pump.Fun for some reason. And yeah, bro, that is the secret. As you guys can see, it's pumping so much. Now when I come back after a couple minutes, I will show you how much we made and how to cash out. So enjoy the show. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, our coin is kind of pumping, right? We farmed a bunch of transactions, which means we could make a lot from the creator views. Anyways, let's cash this out after like 5 minutes. Come back to launch memes, click on refresh. I hope we're up a lot here. Oh my god, we're up 2.6k, bro. That's amazing. Okay, anything over $1,000 for me is good. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, ignore the block. Oh my god. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then the money should be in our Phantom wallet in a couple seconds. Boom, just cash out. And if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, bang, bro, 2.6k is in my Phantom wallet. Not bad, bro. Launchmemes.io will be linked down below, bro. Just stay consistent, bro. Never give up. Even if you make $100 a coin, that is not bad, bro. Just launch, and yeah, bro. And if you want to have the chance to win 10 SOL like this lucky winner right here, just like, subscribe, and join my free Telegram group down below, bro, and you will be entered.